My research was on using QR codes to help teach middle school social studies. My students range in age from 11 to 13. They seem to enjoy technology, projects, and doing activities as opposed to sitting and listening to a presentation. I found that QR codes are a useful, versatile, and engaging way to teach social studies and for any subject matter uh, in that case. QR codes can be used for things ranging from simple classroom management to fun and engaging teaching games. A great way to get your class focused and on task is to create a QR code with the warm-up code activity. The students come into the class, they scan the code, they go to their desk, and they get to work. Recently, I had my 7th grade students research a Middle Eastern country and discuss demographic, geographic, and cultural topics pertaining to their country. Then I had them record their report and turn it into a QR code. We then printed the QR codes. We then took them and cut them out and put them on a poster. We put the poster in the hallway of the school, and we hoped, and some students came by and scanned different countries and got to listen to their friends on their phone, and it worked out quite well. Another fun activity is to have a series of QR codes along with a Jenga game. When students answer the questions correctly, they get to participate in the Jenga game, and hopefully they don't knock the tower down. Some takeaways I took from my assignment, my project. This was my first course when I got to collaborate directly with my classmates, and I found this process to be very valuable and helpful in my personal learning process, as well as helping improve my teaching. Another thing, I was introduced to Slack, and what a super tool that is to collaborate. It's so fun, it's so easy, and really quite simple. As I teach social studies, there are times that I interact and teach with younger kids, and some applications like Chatterpix and Blabberize can be invaluable for young students. Overall, I thoroughly enjoyed this assignment and the process involved. Not only did I enjoy it, I feel like it helped me grow as a teacher and as a student. Thank you.